The Indiana winter wasn't very kind to my wife's Traverse as it was an innocent bystander and sustained a boo-boo. The rental car that we got to get her back and forth to work while her car was being repaired was a little Chevrolet Spark. And of course, we had a lot of fun with it. We had a heck of a time. We almost missed the rental car place, as you can see in this photo. But I'm happy to say that my wife's car has been fixed and it looks like this now. It's back to normal. But enjoy my little test drive. We had a lot of fun with it.
More power. Kind of mash the gas in it, doesn't it?
Yeah.
It's not probably a little three-cylinder, I imagine. I think these are made in Korea. $20,000. Ooh, that mirror's convex, isn't it? Wow. Very distorted looking.
This little screamer has an inline 4-cylinder engine at 85 cubic inches and 98 horsepower, and it's assembled in Korea by General Motors. Drivers, start your engines!
So the rental car company called my wife on Thursday and said the car had to be turned back in on Friday. And the rental car place said that we could leave it at the body shop, that they would come and pick it up. Well, we're nowhere near close to, we don't live anywhere near close to where the car rental place is, and we figured that they wouldn't come and pick it up, and sure enough, there it sits right there. They have not come and gotten it, and it's Saturday afternoon about 4 o'clock, so that car's not being rented.